Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to get web browser protection while browsing the internet in Windows, Mac and Linux computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the Chrome, Edge, whichever browser you have on your respective computer. Now in the Google just search for one application named as Osprey browser protection, and firstly you will see here one website. Just click on it. Now just click on this add to Chrome. Click on add extension. So finally we have added. Now click on this extensions icon. Now just click on this pin icon. Now just click on this Osprey browser protection icon. I will see here tons of options like Microsoft Smart Scan, Semantic browser protections, MC software protection, Bitdefender, Traffic Light, Norton SafeWeb, tons more options, vendor malware evil protection. So you can enable all those options whichever you need. You can click on this right arrow icon. So there are more options. You can enable all those options if you need. So these are all the options available here. After enabling all these options, you can start browsing without needing to worry any malware or spyware present on the respective URLs. So by using this plugins named as Osprey browser protections, you can easily get web browser protections while browsing the internet in Windows, Mac and Linux computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool plugins, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.